Want this?
I'm going to make a tutorial on this time slice effect for both After Effects and Node Video. After you're done importing all your clips to After Effects, make sure to pre-compose them. We're going to make the exact same transitions as seen in the preview video, so follow me. Time slice looks way better with transitions beneath it. Now that the transitions are done, let's make an adjustment layer and add the S_time slice effect to it. If you do not have this effect, then that means you do not have the Sapphire plugin. You can get this from my Discord server, link in description. You can very clearly see how the time slice effect has transformed the underneath clips with transitions. You can use these exact settings or tweak them according to what you want. But if you want your time slice to look just like mine, then make sure the Interpolate Frames option is turned on. An effect I usually add to the adjustment layer to make the time slice look smoother is called CC Wide Time. Set opacity to 0 at the beginning, then around 100 at the middle of the first clip. And remember that the amount you set backward and forward steps to depends on how much intense you want the blur effect to look. Now, if you want this white bar slice that you see in most Wiz videos, it's a very simple process. Follow me. All you need to do is create a white solid and make sure it's below the time slice layer. Set the opacity at the beginning to 0, then at the point between the two clips, set it to 100, and at the end, 0 again. The longer the white flash lasts, the better it looks with time slice. Now, when we turn on the time slice layer, you can see how it transforms the white flash. Now for my Node Video boys, the process is straightforward as well. Import your video into Node Video and add the time slice effect to your video layer, and just follow my settings. And similarly enough to After Effects, it completely transforms your clips and transitions into this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next tutorial.